How to use multiple AI tools to cooperate with each other to reduce operating costs and improve efficiency. Using multiple AI tools to cooperate with each other can be a powerful way to reduce operating costs and improve efficiency for businesses. There are different ways to achieve this, depending on the type of AI tools, the domain of application, and the desired outcome. Here are some general steps and examples to guide you. First, you need to identify the problem or goal that you want to solve or achieve with AI. For example, you may want to optimize your customer service, streamline your supply chain, or enhance your product innovation. Second, you need to select the appropriate AI tools that can help you with your problem or goal. For example, you may use natural language processing, NLP, to analyze customer feedback, computer vision to monitor inventory levels, or generative adversarial networks, GANs, to create new designs. Third, you need to design a way for the AI tools to cooperate with each other, either by sharing data, learning from each other, or coordinating actions. For example, you may use multi-agent systems, MAS, to enable the AI tools to communicate and negotiate with each other, or use reinforcement learning, RL, to train the AI tools to collaborate and compete with each other. Fourth, you need to implement and evaluate the AI solution, and monitor its performance and impact. For example, you may use metrics such as accuracy, speed, cost, and customer satisfaction to measure the effectiveness of the AI solution, and use feedback loops to improve it over time. Some examples of how businesses are using multiple AI tools to cooperate with each other are, a partnership between Princeton University, Harvard, and the U.S. Department of Energy's Princeton Plasma Physics Laboratory is using AI and deep learning to speed up the development of safe, clean, and almost limitless fusion energy for generating electricity. The AI deep learning model is being used to forecast disruptions that can cause damage to the reactors and halt fusions. By using AI to predict problems, Princeton is finding new, more cost-effective ways to produce clean energy. WeTransfer is a service that allows you to send large files and share photos online for free up to 2 GB. WeTransfer uses AI to automate data entry, data capture, document indexing, and robotic process automation. This reduces the manual work and overhead costs for the company, and improves the speed and quality of the service for the users. OpenAI is a research organization that aims to create artificial general intelligence, AGI, that can benefit humanity. OpenAI has developed a new algorithm, MadPage, for centralized learning and decentralized execution in multi-agent environments, allowing agents to learn to collaborate and compete with each other. MadPage can be used to train agents to cooperate in complex tasks, such as chasing, defending, or playing soccer. Learn more. 1. Learning to cooperate, compete, and communicate, OpenAI. https://openai.com/research